At this point, we have two things: selected sources and a prepared Markdown context. Now we ask the key question: what can MCQs validly measure in literature? Literature is interpretative, so not everything is equally measurable. In real assessment, we always separate two things: what can be checked with shared, text-based evidence, and what belongs to personal interpretation or creative response. MCQ as an instrument draws that boundary, not because the model is limited, but because the format of measurement is. That is why this framework provides direct support for three literature-safe test types. They are chosen because, in practice, they can be measured through MCQs validly, fairly, and consistently. They are memory, or recall, used when the context contains explicit, unambiguous statements. Recognition, used when we assess understanding through paraphrase and meaning recognition grounded in shared sources. Conceptual understanding, used when we assess relationships, cause and effect, or meaning supported by evidence inside the context. In practice, this means that literature MCQs can validly assess theme recognition, character motivation when it is clearly evidence supported, symbolism when meaning is stable, cause and effect within the narrative, authorial intent through secondary sources, and conceptual relationships grounded in shared proof. That is why sources and Markdown matter so much. Not because the model cannot do more, but because the instrument must not measure what it cannot measure fairly. Next, we will generate MCQ items from this context and review the first output.